legs. Do the same movement as your legs. I know it every day.
Don't.
It's on my face.
Let me make snowman. Okay, enough. Give me hand. Daj rękę.
Hey, Johnny.
Johnny, make. Daj rękę.
Hey, Johnny.
Johnny, make already snowman.
Johnny, you go.
My team's doing nothing.
Put cup. Put. What do you want?
How do I put this?
Kurwa, I feel wet in my shoes. I don't want to be them wet. Come, I will fix it for you.
First time.
Yes.
Everybody has first time.
Look how big I made.
Si Jasmine di na bumangon. Jasmine, you are wet now.
Jasmine, stand up. It's not. Don't play.
Ah, the stand up, you are wet now. You're
Yes,
wet.
you will get eventually. How I will stand up?
But I want to get to shine the snow. Don't move.
Quickly. No, John, I told you don't do this.
Ah, did you nail it down?
Oh my ass! Look at my gloves, Johnny.
Touch my back. Tell me if I'm wet. Touch. Tell me if I'm wet. Exactly. Now your ass is not wet.
I have 5 trousers.
Oh my God.
Ella, tell me if my back is wet.
I just have 2. I feel cold.
Exactly.
Amy, can you remove snow from me?
But this is warmer. I have it and the other one.
Mama, look at his back. Oh, it's cold. Oh. It's all ice, your back.
Are you going to stand up? You will get wet, and we're gonna go more.
Johnny,
places.
Johnny.
Stand up.
Come
You will
stand
go
up.
more places.
My jacket is the best. And Alicia's jacket is the best.
Adi, Johnny. Panaya mo rin. Hindi na natigil. My goodness.
Not on the phone.
Alicia!
Give me.
Make it like this now on your body, Ray.
Can someone take out the ice from me?
Remove now. You make it. Give me.
Open.
Mine also fall down in the snow.
Open.
Alicia.
Yeah, but don't worry, Babcia will buy you. Oh, kurwa, much money.
I told you I had 5.
Kurwa, to everywhere.
No, but I have things in that phone.
That's hold it. I will buy you cloud for
Put
3
now
euro.
inside.
I will buy you Google Cloud. I buy for me 49 cents, 100 gigabyte cloud.
No, me too. I told her. She don't want. She want to buy new mobile.
Oh.
Eh.
No, but are you putting money into that phone? No.
Oh.
Ate, we go walk somewhere.
Adi, come on.
Ate, Alicia, Agnes.
Ito kasi first time niya. Hindi na siya natigil sa kakalaro ng snow, pero yung kamay niya lamig na. Ayan. At dahil first time nilang pumunta dito, andito na kami, sumasakay. Ayan, nakasakay kami. It's Johnny's first time. It's Kid's first time to come in Troodos. It's the first time they come to play in the snow.
Mama, look. Ma, look. Ma,
Look
look.
at this
Ma,
tree.
look. Ma, look. Ma,
Ne.
look. Tiny snow, ne?
Ne?
Oh,
Tiny snow.
Detroit.
Yay!
akta kapata kara.
At umuulan pa na ng snow. It's raining of snow. Ang ganda-ganda. Ayun doon, ang maganda doon. Oh, it's raining. Hala.
Hello. First time.
First time.
West Virginia. Heading home.
We are turning, going back.
Mama, look at us.
Where are they?
Hello, guys. Mama. Mama.
Babalik kami. Kami ay babalik sa aming pinanggalingan. Ang ganda ng tanawin doon.
The people here are going.
O wam w mordę jebany. No. No. No, ale to...
Ay, don't go far away. Come
Hey,
here.
Kids. Go up there. Go there.
Come back.
Dobra, kończę beton, po dzieci kurwa mi uciekają gdzieś tu w góry nara. Hey, come here. Come, Alicia, you need to make intro.
My goodness. Nadudulas ako. Hindi ako makalakad.
Jaskiera.
First time nilang pumunta. Maglaro ng snow. Ayan. Tamang-tama umuulan ng snow. It's snowing. Look at that. Look at that. Yan o, umuulan ng snow. Yan. Umuulan pa ng snow. Kaya marami pang snow ang darating. Nambabato sila. Ginawa nila akong ano ha. Sasama nyo atay aray ko. Tinamaan ako. You hit me at once ha. Aray! Ah, Dere Jone, don't have power. Naman madulas, hindi ako makakyat doon na madulas ang sapatos ko. Ay. Pero useful ang naka high heels kasi tinutusok ko sa snow ang heels. Kaya ako nakakalakad. Oh, di ba? Asa na yung nasa na sila? Napo, hindi pa rin umalis. Grabe. Ang ganda kasi umuulan pa ng snow. Ito yung magandang time talaga na pagpunta dito. Pwede na gumawa ng ice cream. Halo-halo. Aray! Ala. Umuulan na. Hey, Dax, come. It's raining. Ayan, oh. Umuulan pa. Ulan pa more.
I should play American football, you know. I push her down. I should play American football, no?
Just mean American football. Yeah.
And Tata. I should play American football, no?
Yes.
I'm recording. My word.